It was a concerning Tamale Teaching Hospital, chaos is between the health minister, that is Honorable Kwabena Minta Akando, on CEO Dr. Adams. I say at the end of the day, health minister afire Dr. Adams or neurologist. What fire no. Only say a number of video be chiro mo de si koma enro akra no. Tamale Teaching Hospital omo demonstration. Doctors for obi ankwa adwuma. On that note, Kevin Kobadi Taylor, wabɛkyerɛ na adwene. Wɔkyerɛ mu sɛ president issue decree. Na doctors foreigners for me omu nyina yɛ adwuma to teaching hospital there. Yenyi wo biadi. In fact, omu nyina Nkwaseafoɔ. Yenyi omu nyina di. Ebi awie school ti fie. Na yɛn kɔfa wo mo. Aha Penyah block media. Mɛsra sɛ ne die mo. Obe like video that one, subscribe button, na be click the notification icon for latest update. Na be kyerɛ wa adwene ama me ɛwɔ comment section. Bɛda so baso a. Na hyɛ video mo for so enya bi ahwɛ. It's about 4 days ago, another health minister, on a deputy lands minister, Omuko PM Tamale. Omoko said it was an unannounced program. Omuko PM to teaching hospital. Now, and it will be air course one man is in Penyah. It's because of that they confronted the executives of Tamale Teaching Hospital. Emma Koyano Babaye, Emma say even Krano. It was a heated argument between the CEO, that is Dr. Adams, on a honorable account of your health minister. At the end of the day, honorable account say, doctor no unfair ni diamano because some crime about me as health minister when our customer see there how much more a commoner just ordinary patient about hospital and is there and at the end of the day but say ya sake Dr. Adams Emma Ebas I don't say no Dr. Adams or your neurologist across the country obi any 16 no Ghana ha let's say what's a keep it and say what I say entry it doctor for you say one is there almost encouragement enra Tamale Teaching Hospital ho nya ehwe o PNC ho patient and a year stranded. Emma numera crown. Honorable Akando, as I be a press conference or trim so was Tamale Teaching Hospital doctors for say omun kwadwuma on the osrewu. Transfer be kind one can say ya omun fanche e unipa ho adwuma but osrewu say omun enkwadwuma. Now on that note no ana kere collaborator say there be. Ade omun ya no honom no. Eni se honorable Paul Macho. Debi. Eni se honorable Paul Macho na yeso trimu da so Ghana ha. Ka bi tara trimu say se omun ti fie na se omun so mun kwadwuma. Yiwomadi pamomu ko tena fie na fa ni bawo frobla there's a multi-face a comedy oma besu nyansa
ego with all due respect Ghana na ya team no doctor is bigger than the policeman, no doctor is bigger than the teacher because ujina hospital den say yare no obi so hikira wo ba de because ujina hospital hospital ade no obi so wo fear all protective properties. Let me tell you, you people are not bigger than anybody. Mobile Chroma, you see what you people do. Moya 14-hour shift, mujina monaso, akonya kra mu nibitinaso. And some of you people get the opportunity to come to Ghana, to be in Ghana, to work for the people, and you treat us like we are fools. Because the taxpayer is stupid. The taxpayer money is being paid. Menoka say, these people who are saying they are on strike, we are still paying some of these measures. Yes. Every single soul that we lost today is on your heads, and you people will pay for it. Now, I make sure about the community, these people are crazy. Some of these doctors are not supposed to be given the nod to be doctors in Ghana. Yeah? In 2018, I'm not sure what. These same doctors, 2018, 2019, 2020, they have all been working at a Tamale Teaching Hospital. But I'm not sure what they are politics no more. MPP for. They want to disrespect the president and they want to disrespect we Ghanaians. I'm not sure I did be yeah. In 2018, you see this. in 2018, Kandahar boys chased Tamale Teaching Hospital CEO out. Did they strike? NPP thugs. 2018 under NPP, they went to Tamale Teaching Hospital. The CEO then, they chased him out. These same twerps calling themselves doctors without empathy and sympathy, they were there. Did they strike? Did they say it was disrespect to their profession? A CEO was chased out of his office. 2018. All these men today saying we are on strike. We should beg them and sing. The health minister should come and apologize. All these murderers calling themselves doctors at Tamale Teaching Hospital, they were there. Kandahar boys, MPP thugs went to Tamale Teaching Hospital. They chased a CEO out. I'm sure idea. This is the video. Watch it.
I'm told that. Let me live properly.
Where is the key?
Master, where is the key?
Oh, Master, sharp now.
You understand me to temple. Master, you are.
Take over back.
You are not ready to. Master, I to something. Could you see that part? You must put some.
This is 2018. You know the reason why they chased the CEO out? So our doctors here in the Omako strike, they didn't have any problem with it. You know why? Only an MPP before. They are card-bearing members. I'm not sure idea. Okay? Let's see the reason why they chased a whole CEO and the MPP out of Tamale Teaching Hospital. Did these doctors strike? No, they are the same people. Today, health minister comes and confronts them for what they are doing that is not right. They say they are on strike. They are not going to work. They have been disrespected. A whole CEO. Now, I'm reading the reason why they chased the CEO out. You think these doctors are doctors? These are political clowns. They are murderers. Anybody who dies today in that hospital, these murderers should take the blame. I'm not sure. See this. Yet it's a Ghana and Nkwaseafoɔ. Let me show you the story. Mr. P, I need a story. Mr. P, get me the story. I need a story because I have the story. My mention story. In fact, wait 1 second. No, let me get you the story. Because my team, we worked on the story. Thank you. Because I had the story. I have it here. I don't know why it moved. Okay, I can still. Okay, I have it here. All right. Now, my mention story. This is the story, okay? NPP Kandahar boys chase out Tamale Teaching Hospital CEO. Now, doctors, when you now, they were not disrespected. They didn't feel disrespected. They didn't feel that they had been disrespected. Data show again, August 13th, 2018. You know the reason why they chased a whole CEO out, and these doctors felt they were not disrespected? Do you know? I mean, read this story. They show some call for way they need to be sacked. They are foolish people. These are doctors who don't reason. What is the reason why you are on strike? You want people to die to feel important? Let me read a story. Let's see. Tamale Teaching Hospital. We have open investigations into all of you. We will make sure you are sacked. Momo they are buying sick and ACC hospitals, and I'm more transfer for and I'm more normal hospital. Mopa resign and for home. Now let me show you. Let's read the story. There's a story. The Chief Executive Officer of the Tamale Teaching Hospital in the Northern Region, Dr. David Zawunya Akolbila, has been chased out of the hospital by the New Patriotic Party NPP affiliated group, Kandahar Boys. The group stormed the hospital on Monday morning in collaboration with a group calling itself Concerned NPP Youth Coalition. Nkwaseafoɔ, you didn't feel disrespected, right? You stayed, you didn't strike. Now the third paragraph, this is what it says. It says this: the group has complained that the CEO has exhibited incompetence. The reason why NPP Youth Group and Kandahar boys stormed Tamale Teaching Hospital, Omuko Saki CEO no eyi free office no. The reasons na make actual no. Nkwaseafoɔ, you are on strike. Yeah, Mr. S. Okay, thank you. I'll play this. Mommy reading reasons in intro. Almost more strike. You are entertaining these criminals. These are politicians. Now it says the group has complained that the CEO has exhibited incompetence, misused hospital funds, and ignored them despite the role they played in getting him appointed. Almost say CEO no, or you're incompetent. CEO no, or the hospital sika, with the hospital sika, and thirdly, omo no me appointed no, why ignore mo into omo walking into the office of the CEO and sacked him. You, these doctors were all working there. You, these doctors say you are on strike. You were all working there. You did not feel disrespected, right? Mo bottom. Now, when you read the rest of the story, they further accuse him of traveling to China without handing over to the next in command. I must say, I couldn't tell as MPP Youth, Kandahar boys, CEO in 2018. Now doctors when you say, almost to China. Now also man the deputy no taking over. These guys entered the hospital. They went there and they took the CEO out, force, and they sacked him. Doctors and more Tamale Teaching Hospital also more strike. They didn't see this as disrespect, more bottom. I mean, read this story in Anchoramo. What it's a Ghana and Nkwaseafoɔ. Yani Jimmy Yesu Somoso. The group has vowed never to unlock his office until Dr. Akobila is dismissed. Omo lock in office no, and omo ton tam say Kufuor and Pamona office no be hospital omo lock in office no. Doctors were almost strike because incompetence, negligence, obiewuno. They were quiet. They didn't demonstrate. They didn't go on strike. Mama bodawo. And I'm going to say a Jimmy oh. The name say me a doctor. Now a doctor. Where you go? Now, attack on former CEOs of the Tamale Teaching Hospital, which is largely influenced by partisan politics, is nothing new. It will be recalled that on February 23rd, 2017, a group affiliated to the New Patriotic Party known as the Northern Young Patriots, in a similar fashion, demanded the immediate dismissal of the Tamale Teaching Hospital Chief Executive Officer, Dr. Prosper Akambom. So it is not new to the NPP. And these doctors who are saying they have been disrespected and they are on strike, they have seen series of attacks on CEOs. Akando was professional enough. Akando basically said, out of negligence, please, you need to step away. Akando did not insult anybody. But these murderers at Tamale Teaching Hospital, they are making it look like say being Sida. They lived through this because a yomo party na yes sir. You think we are stupid, eh? There be investigations from next week. I will show Ghanaians the corruption you people, the corrupt nature of you people. Most of you go to jail. If you don't want to do the job again, put in your resignation. If you don't want to do the job again, put in your fucking resignation. There are young doctors on the sideline who want to work. Now, already, story in Nkwaseafoɔ, I'll say, the group's chairman, Basiru Baba, at a news conference in Tamale, accused Dr. Akambon of pretending over corruption, nepotism, and abuse of human rights of staff. He also claimed that Dr. Prosper Akambon reduced a major referral health facility to a death trap. So that was the reason why these people, at the end of the day, all went to Tamale Teaching Hospital in 2018. Before Akambon and after Akambon, they went to take out the CEO. All these doctors today screaming, sir, they are on strike because they feel disrespected. They were there. Let's go back and check their records. I'll bring every single doctor. They were all there. They didn't feel disrespected. They didn't go out to demonstrate. They didn't go on strike. Why? Because most of these doctors are MPP doctors. They want to disrespect the president and they want to embarrass the NDC government. What do you say, Jimmy Ong? What do you say, more actions? Today, patients were stranded. People were stranded about time. They were stranded, and foolish men like you were sitting at your homes and chasing girlfriends because you're Jimmy, and we were still paying you every hour. All because you stupidly feel disrespected. By who? People today were stranded. Watch. You see the nonsense happening? They've locked up the hospitals, and we are paying these idiots. If you feel you have been disrespected, leave the job. This same thing happened. You people did not close the hospital down. You don't go on strike because it was your stupid MPP. Political doctors. You people, the little respect we give you people. But you see a Jimmy Ong. And I feel bad because you see, there are people in Ghana who don't know what is happening. Maybe full investigations into each doctor at Tamale Teaching Hospital. Some of them, they will commit suicide. It's a crazy stuff happening. Let me show you something. Crazy stuff.
Yeko Amentifido Mantemu Enra Day Eba Ebetudja Ese Tamale Teaching Hospital Penyah Nkwaseafoɔ Wada Hospital Yano Dr. David Zumenya Kobila Enra Elie MPP Amanyoko no emu emabum bi a womato omhodin ese Kandaha Boys wɔn abɔ homɔden pa etimi akɔtwe pani de afi ne office no wɔmasan so atum na wɔkyerɛ wosusu ese yewura eye Dr. Kobila ade a ketanhye prayer kankan ani dream bi ekoso ɛwɔ n'afa se party ni emu emade wɔn entena se ema doc emfa wɔn se kan enja nanka enu nti wɔbɔ homɔden pa ahwɛ se pepepe ye ebetimi akɔso ɛwɔ Tamale ene nempotem enu nti se wosusu ese doctor no fa kwan foforo so na watimi adwiri sika edi agu ne botom dia wom entrance enye enhwenan Penyah okasa edi ema Kandaha Boys Baba Musa wodi tudwa atwiremu ese nya wom yi wom bekoso aye asempanyimfo anhwe antoto enema yi dia nya di akire ba no ebeye kese.
Initially, I told you that Dr. Kobila is having 7 companies registered in his name, and he's awarding contracts for himself. You understand? He goes out and buy ordinary gloves, examination gloves, which is 23 Ghana cedis. And when he comes to the hospital, he will escalate or parachute the price to 70 Ghana cedis per packet, which is causing financial loss to the hospital. You understand? And he's even talking, he's putting issue death threats to some of the staffs in the hospital. And I can give you a clear example. Asana Musa, Mohamed Asana, member of the regional communication team and a vibrant communicator for our party, who works here. Currently, the case is in the CID office, and they are investigating the matter. And there is one Dr. Techi, or Techi, I don't know his name. He is in charge of the emergency department. Currently, he's also going. Where are we going? Are we going from where we were going backwards? If Dr. Techi is the only emergency doctor in the 3 northern regions, including 1.5. And he has served this hospital for over 12 years because of the way Dr. Kolbila is talking to those doctors. Dr. Techi has finished everything. So we are calling on the clergy, we are calling on the chiefs to come together and plead so that Dr. Techi will remain. Although he's in the emergency department working all right, but you and I can testify to the fact that the emergency department, if you go there right now, you may go there and see someone with internal bleeding and they will leave that person for almost 4 hours to die. You understand? Common drips. This hospital is not having drips. They go out and buy drips for their patients, which shouldn't be so. Forcing him out of the facility is the right channel because we've been following him, thinking that he will change his stance. And Dr.
Start TV. This is what happened in 2018. Doctors were no more. Why didn't they strike? Why didn't they say they have been disrespected? People attacked a CEO, dragged him out of the office, making allegations without substantiating any of the allegations. These doctors were there, nobody went on strike. The Ghana military, you have standby medical practitioners. Mr. Health Minister, if these lazy people, these ungrateful, lazy people, they are not ready to work, sack them and get the military in. Mr. President, issue a directive. If they are not ready to come back, issue a directive, sack them, bring in the military to take over. And then Nkwaseafoɔ no.
What I say? Where is someone can recommend Taylor? I believe you would go from them. What is your view on that? Now, idea on health minister, Dr. Adams, our neurologist. What is your view on that? Who is a good and not say, I do the in fact honorable and try. At least you are a health minister, but we also a doctor no render special service. Tell your mama, comment how you pay your block media.